What's going on YouTube? Q back here again with another video for you. Today's video, about to initiate the first mod on the Integra. So I'm here at Midnight Protective Films and I bring every car here. One of the first things I always do, I'm always coming here. So shout out to Chad and the crew, he always lets me in. They always got something interesting there. Like I pay a little more to come here, but there's always something interesting in the back. So I pay to see that. In the parking lot we got an AMG wagon over there. I got the Integra, of course, behind me, so we about to get it all done here. But we're about to get some of it done. It's a few things I'm thinking about doing, but I don't know just yet, so we'll stick to the simple stuff. So join us for today's videos. Before you leave, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, hit the bell, browse the channel. Let's jump into it. So the Integra right now is a fishbowl, and I see some things that I want to do to it. Not exactly which route I'm going to take. I see the calipers looking, you can barely see the calipers looking at them, so that's something that needs to be done. Definitely the windows, got the paper plate still. So windows are clear, going to take care of that. Thinking about getting the black roof, black shark fin antenna. I might go with the black door handles like I did on my SS1LE. Mirror caps, kind of want that. I think the headlights are fine. Acura bag, I'll keep that as is. But yeah, that's how we're looking right now. Maybe tail light tint. Oh, I didn't even think about that. That might look kind of good if I tint the tail lights. I don't know, I kind of got the gray and red theme going on, so if you haven't seen the interior yet, it's really red, so maybe I'll leave the tail lights alone, but we'll see. All right, let me go in here so they can get started. There's a lot of work here. Like over the years, you can progressively see how much nicer it gets every time. The nice hardwood floors, something I got in my house. The racing shoes, hats, Expel. He's like probably one of the biggest Expel dealers in the world. Here go these lens tints over here. This is a real helmet. I make fun of myself with the helmet that I do have. That's carbon fiber too. You love to see it. It's a racing simulator here. Let's see if I can get on here. The ZLE hat. Now it's got a GT3 colors motorcycle. I don't know crap about these. Sitting there, yeah. And this is a tire he actually blew out at the track. It might have been the track that I just left. Gingerman. It's from his GT3. He's at a record there. So that's pretty cool. Actually, he puts his car through the ringers. Goes airborne with that one too. The Lamborghini rims for a table down here. That's neat. E-brake. These things, E63. Guess they're testing out colors. Is that an M4? Yeah, last time I was here it was that Schnars, man. I like this purple. Yeah, I'll definitely go with that purple. This blue is nice too. It's a competition. That's nice. Here is just Germans. They go, brake calipers. BMW got the dark blue. Let me see. Here in the garage at midnight, so this is where they had their special lighting back here, where they have to meticulously look over the car for any imperfections. I got another one over there, I believe, but let me show you what we got going on. So we got the monetization, demonetization music going on. all done with the tint. So let's take a look at the Integra now. So the tint really makes the black accents pop now. I think it looks good. So I only did 55 on the windshield this time because I don't like my lights turning on too early like in the Camaro. And the Camaro is 35 all around. So this is 55 on the windshield and 35 on the rears. So ever so subtle, so I won't have to deal with police pulling me over. But I shouldn't even have issues with that anyways, because I have a doctor's excuse to have my windows tinted. And then they really don't bother you. I haven't had to use it yet. I only got pulled over for tint once, many years ago. But yeah, let me know what you all think. Got the LED action now. Love these headlights. So that's the first mod scratched off the list. I thought about letting them do some more vinyl on here. So they have the black PPF, which I was thinking about doing for the roof, but PPF is more expensive than regular vinyl. And then this dude raised his prices a little bit. So yesterday's prices are not today's prices, but woo, taxing. So let me show you what I'm thinking about with the black PPF or vinyl on the roof. So I'm thinking about like all of this up here and looking at the little subtle line. I'll probably actually go back over here to the trunk across just the whole top and the shark fin antenna. So all the way back here, extend it across here, and go all the way over to the other side. Now to give it a nice gray and black theme. Got the little red on the tail light up under there, ever so subtle. Third brake light. Let me know what you all think about tinting the tail light. Should I tint the tail lights as well, or just keep them as is? Like I like how the red pops as is. I didn't even notice these reflectors down there. I got the red on the A-Spec badge. I should get the black badges of that. That was actually, it's a dealer accessory. I don't know, he might be able to plastic that and get away with it. Might be a nice little side project. We'll see. Or I could just buy the badge. It shouldn't be that expensive. Alright, that's gonna wrap this video up. Let me know what you think down in the comments below. What other mods should I do? What you think about the wrapping the roof? I should probably do the side mirrors as well. And what else? Like, I want to know what you all want to see done to the car, because this is a new platform and there's not a lot on YouTube. It's not too many people that showcasing these on YouTube, and I kind of don't have an idea where to go. So I'm gonna be a pioneer and make my own. I seen that they were at SEMA, but I don't know if those parts are available. And then I want to get it tuned at some point. So I'm gonna leave y'all with that. Have a great day. And like always, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, hit the bell, browse the channel, and I will catch you in the next video. Peace out.